It is 6:20 in the evening, day 2 of Meteora, and we are about to head on to our 3rd hike. So we are heading up to the Holy Spirit, which is a cross and a bell. It's a bit of an easier trek than this morning, but it is a bit more technical than the first day. So we are currently in the small village of Kastraki. So also with us we have my father, Terry. Let's go. As you head out of the main square, you have to follow these green circles with white writing on them. We immediately got lost. That's what we're going up.
So this huge rock behind us is what we're climbing. It's massive.
Apparently we should be up there in 40 minutes. Here we have the handrail which leads us up the mountain. As you can see, my dad's already got up there and the rock's not too bad. Oh yeah, Claire?
Yeah, just a bit.
We're just heading through the canopy at the moment. It's got a little hotter, a bit more steeper, a bit more rough terrain. Oh, just found a handrail there. There's a doorway.
It's a little shrine.
It smells nice. It's really good, doesn't it? Up here we have the cross and the bell at the top of the Holy Spirit. Oh, and first one up, Dad. 66. Gonna do the honours? Hey. It's now 7:30 and we've been up here maybe 20 minutes.
Watching the sunset.
Flying the drone, watching the sunset. We're now going to head down, which should take maybe about half an hour, but it's quite rough terrain, so we're just going to head down and then go back to ours and have some wine.
That's good.
Right. So this has been our 3rd trek in Meteora. This is definitely one of the more accessible ones, and there's actually signposts to it. And also you get to do this. Yeah, it is, yeah. Okay, we've made it down. It is 8:10, so it's taken 2 hours, which is pretty good going. Yeah, and that is it. We're going to go shower because we're shiny and have some wine. Great trek. Recommend.